We started our tour of Paris from the Eiffel Tower. The Eiffel Tower is a wrought iron lattice tower in Paris, France. It is named after the engineer Gustave Eiffel, whose company designed and built the tower from 1887 to 1889. It was constructed as a centerpiece of the 1889 World's Fair and to crown the 100th anniversary of the French Revolution. Although initially criticized by some of France's leading artists and intellectuals for its design, it has since become a global cultural icon of France and one of the most recognizable structures in the world. The tower is 330 meters tall, about the same height as an 81-story building and the tallest structure in Paris. If you visit Paris in December, you can see a beautiful Christmas market at the foot of the Eiffel Tower. Eiffel Tower was the first structure in the world to surpass 300-meter mark in height. The tower has 3 levels for visitors, with restaurants on the first and second levels. Prior to the Eiffel Tower construction, no structure had ever been constructed to a height of 300 meters or even 200 meters for that matter. And many people believed it was impossible.
The bluebirds peacefully sing along. That I love.
You can take some nice pictures and explore the Trocadero, an expansive complex of museums, sculptures, gardens, and fountains located directly across the Eiffel Tower.
난 그저 잔디밭에 누워 있어도 좋아요. 반짝이는 저기 Eiffel Tower shines from anywhere 아름다워. When I'm not with you, all these shiny seas don't mean a thing.
Arc de Triomphe is one of the most famous monuments in Paris.
달빛인 Avenue des Champs-Élysées 그대와 같은
The Arc de Triomphe honors those who fought and died for France in the French Revolutionary and Napoleonic Wars, with the names of all French victories and generals inscribed on its inner and outer surfaces.
태어난 이 거리를 걸어요.
Construction of Arc de Triomphe started in 1806.
난 그저 잔디밭에 누워 있어도 좋아요. 그때야 난 빨리 거리를 걸어요. 난 그저 그대 곁에 머문다면 좋아요.
Champs-Élysées is another famous place to visit, and it is known for its theaters, cafes, and luxury shops.
그때야 난 빨리 거리를 걸어요. 난 그저 잔디밭에 누워 있어도 좋아요.
Place de la Concorde is a public square in Paris, France, and it is the largest square in the French capital. It was the site of many notable public executions in the course of the French Revolution, including Louis XVI and Marie Antoinette. The square was originally designed to be the site of an equestrian statue of King Louis XV, commissioned in 1748 by the merchants of Paris to celebrate the recovery of King Louis XV from a serious illness. The statue was dedicated on 20th June 1763, but by this time the king had lost much of his popularity. Beginning in 1789, the square was a central stage for the events of the French Revolution. On 11th August 1792, the statue of Louis XV was pulled down and taken to a foundry where it was melted down. In total, 1119 people were executed on the Place de la Concorde. The centerpiece of the square is an ancient Egyptian obelisk decorated with hieroglyphics. It is one of two which the Egyptian government gave to the French in 19th century. Around Christmas, the square is beautifully decorated, and you can see a small Christmas market.